good morning or good evening. Happy to see everybody's still alive. It's a beautiful day outside. The reason why I'm having a glasses here, I know I should have got to church. I go party last night.
I represent for Trabass TV, my nigga.
I come back 4:15 on the dot. Because me used to the world I got end today, 6 o'clock on the dot. So I'll know me no sleep. Cause me here fire I go drop down, burn up everyone away. The co-op world I go get fucked up. That's why I have on the glasses cause my eye them kinda swollen right now. My teeth not brush and my face not wash. The man them we predict said the world I go done today at 6 o'clock. I'm still here. By God, me take up a stone and bust on the head. Although me never had a Fred still, but me hear say people at Jamaica run and go baptized cause you get a little earthquake. People, you see the faith where you believe in, no make no man tell you nothing different. Go by where you know. In the Bible it said, ye shall come in like a thief in the night. And you are going to predict say, he might go come 6 o'clock in the morning. He not go come 6 o'clock in the night, you say in the morning?
This man we talk last night, I lie my tell. Nothing no go so. God now come.
Who no give away them for give away? Go give them life to the Lord and I'm happy for no. Because now hour 7:35. I'm still here. Sun bright out the door. I'm want to sleep still. This not kind of open my eye to all of the preacher them where I tell them say the world I go end today 6 o'clock. God must call up on the telephone and tell us say the good world I go end today. Jesus on the telephone, tell him what you need. This shit funny but me still want to sleep. Right now as far as me can see it, I hell with it right now. When God come, God come. No man not gonna know when he might come. So you may say Facebook, YouTube, go by the evil you know. And not by what people say. Because once you believe in something, nobody can change your mind. But to everybody where that said the world I got end, I'm still here.